Measures of variability. The range of a set of data is where you look at the largest number and the smallest number, and you find the difference between the two. All you have to do is find the biggest number, subtract the smallest number from it, and you have the range. So the very first thing that we want to do is put the data in order. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Our largest number is 9. Smallest number is 2. All we need to do is subtract, so our range is 7. The first quartile sometimes known as the lower quartile. It's the middle half of the lower set of the data. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to put the data in order. And you want to find the median. Remember, the median is the middle number. So the median in this case is 5. Since we're looking at the lower quartile or the first quartile, we'd simply take the data that's below the median. 2, 3, and 4 are the only numbers that are below the median. And all we need to do is find the median again. So in this case, the first quartile would be at 3. Quartiles are just medians of a part of the data. Our next quartile is the third quartile. Remember, the median is sometimes known as the second quartile. We're going to take this same set of data and we're going to put it in order again. We're going to circle the median, and this time we're looking at just the upper set of the data. And the median of that is 7. So the third quartile, also known as the upper quartile, is 7. And the last thing that we need to talk about is the interquartile range. Also known as the IQR. Range, we said, is taking the largest number and subtracting the smallest number from that. So we're basically doing the same thing, but we're not using the whole data. We are just looking at the first quartile and the third quartile. We're going to put the data in order from least to greatest. We are going to find the median. The median is the middle number. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms in the data. So our median will be between these two. So our median would be 5. The first quartile, if I write just the data of the lower half, and we do include the 4 because that's not the median, and we want to find the median again. So in this case, the number that's between 3 and 3, that's easy to find, is just 3. In the upper half of the data for the third quartile, we will write the upper data, and our median will be between 7 and 8, which gives us 7.5. To find the interquartile range, we are simply taking the upper quartile, or the third quartile, that's 7.5. We're going to subtract the first quartile, or the lower quartile, and we find that our interquartile range is 4.5.